Good morning. Today we are working on Unit 5, Lesson 7. This will be a 2-day lesson. So you'll have this for 2 days. Again, I think this was like a Wednesday, Thursday, or something like that. So keep in mind, you're going to be solving different kinds of addition and subtraction problems. Again, similar to those fact families. So keep that in mind. Again, just kind of like we talked about yesterday, it is very similar to what you've been doing in different ways to showcase addition and subtraction problems. If you do not have your materials right now, please pause and go get them. Your place value chart for today, your numbers are going to be 76, 87, and 202. 202. Now keep in mind when you say 202, it's not 202 because again, eventually the and will signify a decimal point. So 202. Pause, work with your learning coach. Addition through our place value chart, pause, work with your learning coach. Again, subtraction with our place value chart, pause, work with your learning coach. Here's our spiral review. Make sure that you're looking at they have in all. What does the word in all mean? Addition or subtraction? Pause, work with your learning coach. Again, you get into which equation helps you solve the problem. So when you look at the addition, when you look at the word problem up here, the best thing you can do is start looking at the numbers and seeing which numbers don't matter and start eliminating, working on elimination when it comes to test prep, eliminating problems that do not make any sense. Pause, work with your learning coach. Okay, here's your fact families. So your fact family today is 5, 5, and 10. Right? 2 addition and 2 subtraction. 5, 5, and 10. Here's our direct instruction, solving. Again, you're looking at how to solve these problems, figuring out if they're addition or subtraction. Do that in whatever manner you have that works for you. Again, the number line, the place value chart, the 10 frame, things like that. Addition, the place value chart, that kind of thing. Pause, read it over, work with your learning coach. In this instance, you're given a couple of numbers. You need to make sure that you can fill in the blank. So go through this and you need to find out what question they're looking for. What are they looking for? Pause, work with your learning coach. Same thing here. Pause, work with the learning coach. Pause, work with your learning coach. Make sure what they have down here is they're showcasing that you are going to label what your number means. And they do it for you in this instance. Pause, work with your learning coach. 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 Jumping in to flex your brain. Again, your related facts. Again, what does related mean? Again, these are key words you want to expand their vocabulary on because again, they're not necessarily always used in or focused on in math, but they are kind of a cross-curricular. So again, it's expanding your child's vocabulary. What information, what words in here do they not understand that they need to understand to get the correct information out of the problem? Pause, work with your learning coach. Here we go. Counters, are using counters in this instance. Pause, work with your learning coach. Last but not least, pause, work with your learning coach. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.